Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on pound dollar, I still think this looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern going up. Maybe it is a wave C, but either way, I do believe that it is going to go up and take out these highs. Most likely make a nice five-way pattern to the upside, ending up looking something like that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have been kind of drifting down a little bit on a lot of the dollar pairs, but I still think that this is an uptrend. I still think it's going to make like a five-way pattern to the upside for this wave three. I think this is a wave one. I think this is a running flat wave two, and I think that we're already in a wave three. Maybe this is a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of three. But either way, I do believe on these higher time frames that it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did have pound CPI news today, and it did definitely cause the pound to go up a little bit. Now, the thing with the pound is it really has not broken a structure to the downside. So if this does end up being an ABC correction, there is always a chance that it could just keep on going up. But looking at the dollar index, I mean, it still kind of seems to me like it's more likely to end up doing something like this, probably making a more proper ABC correction, probably taking out the lower wave four before it bounces off like the 50% most likely, maybe even the 61.8, ending an ABC correction and most likely continuing back up. Like I said, it's most likely going to be a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, today's pound news definitely did cause a nice and positive move up, and we definitely got some breaks of structure. So, at least for the time being, I probably would look for some longs, but I do think that more likely this is going to actually end up going back down. It might even end up being like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. Like I said, I think it's more likely that it will go down, take out the low of wave 4, so it make a lot of sense for this move up that we have today to actually be a correction to the move down like a wave 2. So, taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have a couple pretty significant breaks of structure. I mean, a pullback at this point, and because of the breaks of structure, probably is likely. But if we see this shape right here, like an A, B, and C, then we see a nice impulsive move down, nice and break of structure, then I would definitely be looking for shorts primarily. But I mean, if you do get like a crutch into this move up and like at the end of a wave B, then you could definitely go long. And who knows, maybe if you go long, you'll get lucky and it's not even a wave C and it just turns into a big wave three. But like I said, I think the trade that we really should be looking out for is going short at the end of a three-way pullback, most likely for the continuation of this bigger wave C on the longer time frames, like a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.